Hi everyone and welcome to this video. If this is the first time you are here, I am Jean-Michel Cellier, I am a mathematician and I have various series on this channel. This time I'm here to introduce a new series which is going to be called Parallel Computing. And of course this new series is going to talk about parallel computers and how to program them. In particular, what we are going to do is we are going to go through the tenets of parallel computing, and we are going to present every time new algorithms that will run in parallel. And of course these algorithms will be represented by simple examples so that everything is comprehensible and understandable. The hardware that we are going to target in this series of videos is going to be essentially multi-core CPUs. So if you have a computer with more than one core, you can actually follow this series. And I will also focus a little bit on GPUs, so I will introduce a little bit of C programming with GPUs. The language, by the way, is going to be C, in particular C99, and the libraries that I'm going to introduce in this series are going to be OpenMP and CUDA. Of course, if this is the first time you are here, I suggest you to go through my previous series that I'm showing a link towards this series in the description below. And my plan is essentially to post one video per week on parallel computing. So in the meanwhile, while you're waiting for the next video, you can have a look at this previous series that I have created. Also, this is a good way for you guys to see how I explain and if the way I explain is the right way for you. As usual, I'm showing here a few useful links. The first useful links is openmp.org. So essentially there you are going to find everything that relates to OpenMP, and what I'm going to explain is partially coming from that website. And the other link that I am suggesting also is this one that is coming from NVIDIA, where they explain the CUDA toolkit. So if you don't have that installed on your machine, you can have a look at this link and you can understand how to install CUDA on your machine. Also, there are two good books that I would like to suggest. I'm going to use these two books for this series. Or I'm going to get at least inspired by these two books. The first book is a classic book, which is the Ritchie and Kernighan book on C programming language. So this is the first one that I suggest. And the second one is this one that is called CUDA by Example. This is a very simple one. I am not suggesting any book on OpenMP for the simple reason that essentially everything that you find on the link openmp.org should be enough to actually put yourself, let's say, in the right situation and being able to use OpenMP. As usual, I want to thank you all for being here today and for being here till the end of this video. If you have not subscribed yet, please think of subscribing if you like this channel. As always, I encourage you to leave comments and to share also these videos with other people. Thank you so much for doing this, and I hope to see you in the next video.